pretty morning. Love beautiful summer mornings. Let's get started. Start with your posture and maybe on your back in your bed with your legs uncrossed. And then put your hands on your body so you can feel your breath as it comes and goes. That three-part breath that when the diaphragm moves down, the belly rounds up, and as the air continues to flow in, the rib cage expands, and finally all the way up to the collarbone, and then at the top spilling it out. And with your hands on your body, you can feel it. Sitting in a chair, rock side to side on your sit bones and plant your sit bones evenly and firmly, and your knees bent at 90 degrees and your feet flat on the floor about hip width apart. And again, your hands resting lightly on you so you can feel the breath as it comes and goes. Good. Breathing in through both nostrils and then out either through the nose or through the mouth, maybe through rounded lips. Good. Now notice your jaw and let it go limp and slack. Feels good because it spreads and goes further than just your jaw. And then that space at the back of your skull, release it. Let it go. And if any tension tries to creep back, just do it again. Keep that jaw loose and the back of the head soft, and make room for the breath and the nerve impulses to flow freely. Good. Now shake your hands out and give them a good shake. And bring your right hand up to the left shoulder and the left hand up to the right shoulder, and give yourself a good squeeze. A nice hug for the morning. Good. And now with your face forward and your head steady, roll your eyes to look all the way to the left. The head still and the eyes move, and hold it there and breathe. That three-part breath, belly, ribs, chest, and then spill it out, all while you hold your eyes to the left. And on the next exhale, move the eyes back to the center and look straight ahead. And then this time, as you exhale, roll the eyes all the way to the right and breathe. And back to center and look straight ahead. Good. And now raise your shoulders up towards your ears. Try moving them up slowly as you inhale, inhaling slowly and bringing the shoulders up. And then as you exhale, let the shoulders move down with the breath. And when they get to the bottom, see if they'll go a little further. And do it again. Now breathe in and pull the air in through the three parts, all the way up, and at the top, 3 sniffs. And then exhale and all the way to the bottom, and at the bottom 3 puffs. And do it again, all the way up, and add your sniffs, and then spill the breath out and add your puffs. Good, building your lung capacity. Small things over time make such a big difference. Keep breathing. Good. Past few days we've been working on suspending the breath. What a great practice. We're on go all the time. Sometimes our bodies are still, but it's hard to get that mind to be still. And with all those thoughts comes a level of tension. And then all of a sudden, you suspend the breath, and your nervous system says, whoa, what's that? And you adjust your nervous system. And you suspend the breath without extra tension, pulling it in through both nostrils up to the top, and then without any effort, not breathing anymore. And just for a 2 count. And then exhale it out. And do it again. Breathe in to the top and then stop. No extra tension in your face or your throat or your chest or any part of your body. And just for a 2 count, suspend and then let it go. Good. And this morning, let's try adding it on the other end of the breath cycle. So the inhale is regular and you exhale, and then at the bottom, nothing. No extra tension. Keep your spine straight, don't collapse your chest. And keep your face and your shoulders and your chest relaxed, your throat. And just for a 2 count at the bottom before you inhale again. Try it. Keeping your face soft, your eyes soft, your throat, your shoulders. Inhaling and exhaling. And then just a brief pause. And notice yourself and what works for you. 2 is a good number. More if you want to try. Don't let tension build. Good. And do it again. And keep practicing and breathing. And maybe you want to do both. Pull it in and suspend for 2. Exhale it out and suspend for 2. Just a little notice to your body and your nervous system that go isn't your only direction. You have a stop button, and you push it without extra tension, and you breathe in and you pause, and you breathe out and you pause, and you find a space in yourself where things are quiet. Yogis call it shunya, 0 point. And it's a place you can return to. And they say that it helps you react under pressure, good judgment under pressure. So practice and enjoy the practice, and enjoy the stop, and keep breathing. And may the long-time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. Have a great day.